Now, in the record that we talked about, Anya is also connected to time. So for some reason, the Igbo elders, while in Israel and Judah, they noted that the eye, in a way, is conceptually connected to time. Okay. Now, this reality, as stated here, is also observable within the Igbo language. Okay. Because, for instance, now, if you want to say that something happened a long time ago, you will say, Omelo, Anya. So that Anya means at a time that is eyes, but that's not actually the direct meaning. It actually means at a time long ago. So you see that there is a connection between eye and time. Another expression that you get among the Igbo people is O melo n'anya ndị nna anyị. O melo n'anya ndị nna anyị. Okay, so this expression means it happened in the eyes of our fathers. You usually get that when elders are trying to tell you that there is a practice that was observable within the Igbo race, but you may not get it anymore, within today's setting. So they will tell you, O melo n'anya ndị nna anyị, or ono na-eme n'anya ndị nna anyị. What it actually means is that it happened in the time or in the era of our forebears, our fathers, and so on.